Once you're logged in, you will be automatically brought to the WeVideo Dashboard. So I just want to go over a little bit of the navigation here. First of all, anything that you're currently working on, that you're editing and that you have not quite finished the video, will be right here in this section. So when you want to open it up and start editing again, you're just going to click on it and say edit. You can also rename or delete it from here as well. Up at the top, you're going to see a menu that we're going to go through. But first of all, this section here, when you're ready to make a new video, you're going to click create a new edit. There are different templates that you can choose for your videos. Most of the time I find that people find templates to be a little bit cumbersome because it requires a lot of deleting of existing media that's already in the project. But if you want to try with a template, you're welcome to do that. For our class, we're going to be using the create new edits and using the blank edits. So the dashboard is where we're at. If you click on projects, these are projects that you're currently working on. So these are my projects. You can also have shared projects. So for instance, if you're working with let's say your class is going to work in groups on this project, all the students can share the project with each other so they can each access it and edit it from their own username, kind of like Google. However, it's important to note that you cannot have two people editing a video at the exact same time. There's just no way for that to happen with video editing. So although the kids can get into the video and they all can use it from their own username, if two students are working on it at the exact same time, the first person to save is going to get their work saved. The other person is going to lose all their editing. So only one editor at a specific time. The next one is media. This is like any media that you've created or added to WeVideo. So video clips or photographs that you've uploaded, any recordings that you've done. So I've added a lot of stuff over the year. You can delete these items too if you want to. So, you can just select what you want and, I can hold control down. I can delete items from here if I'm never going to use them again. You also can have shared media. So that's one thing that's kind of nice in this program. Like if you're assigning something to students and you want all of them to be using the same pictures or the same video clips, you can create shared media that everyone would have access to. The videos tab, these are all videos that I've completed and exported. So this is just going to show me that everything that I've done over the length of my time in this program. If I go to all videos here, I'm going to see a lot more because I'm an administrator here for the district, so I see the student videos as well. You probably will not see any of those. Under templates, these are, again, it's kind of that same thing like if I was under dashboard, it's the same templates. So, you can start from a template if you want to. You can also create your own templates. So if you wanted students to say create a video that followed a certain format and you want to create a template for them to make it easy to use, you can go ahead and do that as well. And that is basically the overview of kind of the dashboard of WeVideo.